Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Apple ID email and making sure you control a trusted phone or recovery email because Apple uses those to verify you. Open Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. This triggers the pathway to reset or recover your App Store password. If prompted, enter your device passcode to proceed. You do this now so verification options appear. Once visible, choose Reset Password or use Account Recovery. This first step sets the secure channel for the rest of the flow. Next, verify your identity using the trusted phone or a two-factor authentication code. Apple may also ask for a recovery key if you set one. Once you select Reset Password, follow the on-screen prompts. Receive the code on the trusted device, enter it here, and then create a new password that's strong and unique. Make sure to include letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reuse. After confirming the new password, the system updates your Apple ID so your App Store purchases use that credential going forward. Finally, sign back into the App Store and any other devices with your new Apple ID password. This synchronizes purchases and subscriptions. If verification fails or you lack access to trusted devices, start account recovery. It can take days, but it's the secure fallback. If you still can't get in, contact Apple support and provide verification details. Make sure to enable Face ID or Touch ID for App Store purchases to streamline future buys, and update your password manager so you don't lose access again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.